Hi guys, today I'm going to tackle regarding with soil classification system. So this is the first topic in geotechnical engineering. So in soil classification, we have three specs that we're na ginagamit natin. One is the USDE, two is the AASH2, and three is the USCS. So yung USDE, that is the States Department of Agriculture. AASH2, that is the American Association of State Highways and Transportation Officials. And USCS, that is the Unified Soil Classification System. So minsan sa board exam, hinahanap din yung may mga problem din sa board exam. Minsan tinatanong ano yung O nung AASH2. Ha? So, ano yung A nung USDA. Minsan, wag lang kayo magkumpiyansa, no? Kahit ganyan lang yan. Minsan tinatanong yan, no? Sa board exam. So, mas maganda pag memoryado mo din kung ano yung mga soil specs na ginagamit natin, no? Pero minsan yung ginagamit natin yung AASH2. No? So, anyway, yung AASH2 din yung reference natin para mas madaling tandaan lahat yung, hindi naman lahat, no? Lagay natin yung mga reference point, no? Dito sa soil classification. So, considering meron tayong soil, so yung soil meron tayong gravel, sand, we have the gravel, we have the sand, this one. So we have the gravel, we have the sand, we have the silt, and we have the clay, no? So yan na yung sa pan na part, no? Sa sheave analysis natin. So yung bottom na wala ng butas, yun yung pan, no? Dito yung pan, walang openings dito, no? So dito is wala na tong opening, no? Yung dito na part, walang opening yan. Pero yung layer na to may mga opening yan, no? Hanggang dito may opening, no? Nilalagay natin yung soil dito din. Ginagawa natin yung sheave analysis, okay? So anyway, yung reference natin is yung AASH2. So under sa yung dito na side, yung dito na part, we have the sieve number, yung dito. Okay? Then yung sa left side, ito naman yung mga opening niya. So corresponding to sieve number 10, that corresponds to number 2 na opening, no? We have 2 mm. So opening is in mm. Okay? Corresponding to number 200, that is 0.074 mm na openings, no? According sa AASH2 na specs. Okay, yan lang yung tatandaan natin. So, yung interface between the gravel and the sand, and yung interface between the sand and the gravel, the silt rather. Okay? So, yung kaibahan lang nung AASH2 sa USDA is ito. Bumaba lang yung sand. Yan, nakita natin. Bumaba siya. So, sa USD, this is number 270, sheave number 270. Then, dito is 0.002. Okay? 0.002. Sa AASH2 dito yan. Sa interface ng salt tsaka yung pan, no? So, yung kaibahan naman ng AASH2 tsaka yung USCS is titignan mo, umakyat lang yung sand na part, na? So magiging standard lang natin yung AASH2. Sa USDA bababa siya. Sa USCS aakyat siya. Okay? Aangat siya. So yung sheave number yan according to USCS, this is number 4. Okay? And this corresponds to 4.75 mm. Okay? So, minsan yung hinahanap dito yung mga percentage ng gravel, percentage ng sand, percentage ng clay, tsaka silt, no? Minsan yan yung mga tanong dito eh. So, considering with respect to with respect to AASH2. So, kalimutan mo muna yung USCS tsaka yung USDE, no? So, bali magre-refer ako dito sa AASH2 lahat, ha? Okay, AASH2 tayo lahat, ha? So, pag hahanapin natin yung mga percentage, meron tayong reference. We have the 100% and we have the 0%, okay? So, considering yung dito, yung 100% minus yung percentage dito na part, okay? Yan yung percentage gravel. Okay? So, yung percentage dito, kung ano ilan yan, tsaka yung percentage dito, with reference to AASH2, okay? With reference to AASH2, this corresponds to percent sand. Okay? So, from 100% down dito sa percentage, yun yung percentage ng gravel. Kasi makikita mo, gravel to lahat, di ba? Gravel yan eh. So, yung percentage na ma-obtain mo dito, tsaka yung percentage fine art na ma-obtain mo dito, so, yan yung boundary na mag-close ng sand. Kaya yan yung percentage ng sand. So, corresponding naman dito, yung percentage dito, deducted sa percentage dito, yan yung boundary na mag-corresponds doon sa percentage silt. Okay? Ayan. Tsaka yung percentage dito, deducted dito, which is 0%. So, yan na yung sa clay. So, that's why this is percentage clay. Okay? Paano ko malaman na tama yung sagot mo? Kailangan lang, yung total ng lahat ng percentage na yan must be 100%. Ganun lang, no? Once hindi mag 100%, yan, may issue yan. Okay? So, yun lang yung check mo na lang, ha? So, may mga tanong din. Minsan nahanapin yung percentage coarse and percentage fine, okay? So, yung percentage coarse, ito yung addition ng dalawa. Yan yung percentage coarse, addition ng gravel tsaka sand. Yung sa fine naman is addition ng silt tsaka clay, okay? So, addition ng percentage silt plus percentage clay. So, paano mo naman malalaman na tama yan, no? Kailangan lang yung percentage coarse at percentage fine must be 100%. Oops, sorry. 100%. Dito ka lang. Ayan, no? So, I think klaro na lahat, no? So, ulitin ko lang, magiging reference mo yung AASH2. So, yung kaibahan lang ng AASH2 tsaka yung USD is bababa siya. While yung USCS tsaka AASH2, aakyat siya. Okay, so yun, no? Okay na to, no? Na-discuss ko na to. So, punta tayo sa soil parameters. So, sa soil parameters, kinoconsider natin yung soil particle size distribution curve, which is ito yan, no? So, ito yung curve na yan. And take note, this is semi-logarithmic graph, ha? Semi-logarithmic graph. Ibig sabihin, increasing yung grid niya, no? Kung ito, for instance, that is 0.01, so dito, like 2 or, depende, no? Basta yun dito, mas maliit yun dito kaysa dito, no? Bali, nandito yung malaki, di ba? Common sa atin na dito yung 0, then increasing siya, di ba? Pero sa semi-logarithm, iba, no? Dito magsisimula yung maliit, then dito siya tataas, no? Kaya may ganito ako, no? Increasing yung ano niya, ha? So, di ko kailangan to. Okay. Yan, tanggalin ko lang. Okay. So, sa soil parameters, meron tayong tatlong napaka-importanting tinitignan, no? So, anyway, later on, magagamit natin to for more application pa, no? Pero so far, dito lang muna ako sa soil parameter. Pero may application pa to, no? Andun na sa soil consistency, like mag-involve tayo ng liquid limit, plastic limit, dun, no? Magagamit natin to. Kukunin natin yung idea dito sa soil parameter. So far, dito lang muna tayo sa soil parameter. Okay, ulitin. Meron tayong tatlong factors na tinitingnan, or yun, yung parameters na tinitingnan. Number 1 is the D10. That is the effective size. So that is the diameter of the sieve considering 10% finer. Okay. Then kinukuha natin yung coefficient of uniformity, which is the D60 divided by D10, where yung D60, that is the diameter corresponding to 60% finer. Okay? While yung CC, that is D30 squared divided by D60 times the D10, where yung D30, that is the diameter corresponding to 30% finer. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong x-axis which represents the diameter, the opening, while yung y-axis that represents the percent finer or the percent passing, no? So, pag sinabi nating D10, so yan yung diameter corresponding to 10% finer. So, yan yung diameter corresponding to 10% finer. Yan, D30 is yan yung diameter, di ba? Diameter kasi ito. Yan yung diameter corresponding to 30% finer. And while yung D60, yan yung diameter corresponding to 60% finer. Ayan. So, I think klaro yan, no? Klaro yan. So, since semi-logarithmic graph to, so pwedeng isolve to using the semi-logarithmic graph or yung calculator lang natin. Pwede na, no? Pwede na yung calculator natin. So, kasi may naka-embedded na logarithmic function yung calculator natin, lalo na yung Casio, no? So, ayun. So, pwede nating kunin to sa mode 3, 4, that is lnx, yeah? That is a logarithm graph. Logarithmic function. Okay? So, example tayo. Okay? So, example tayo, meron tayo ditong problem. So, bala yung problem dito is kukunin natin yung percentage gravel, percentage sand, percentage salt, percentage clay, percentage coarse, percentage fine. Dami natin kukunin, no? We have D10, D30, D60, CU, and CC, no? So, using AH2 specification. So, balikan natin yung AH2 specification. So, yung titignan mo yung mga constant na to. Okay? Idodraw natin yan mamaya ulit. So, provided meron tayong tabulated values, we have the opening 0.85, 0.425, ganon. So, lahat yan naka-mm. No? So, lahat to naka-mm. And we have the percent passing by weight. So, yan na, no? Sa 0.85 na mm, so, meron siyang 100% passing. Okay? Then, sa 0.425, meron siyang 92.10% passing. And so on, no? 0.074, meron siyang 62% passing. Pero anyway, since AH to yung titignan natin, so, di ba, alam natin yung mga constant na kailangan nating i-check. We have number 2, we have 0.074, and we have 0.002. Yan yung tinitingnan natin ng mga constant. So, kasi nagko-correspond to sa number 10, ito number 200 na shift, di ba? So, ayan na, ha? So, saan ito? So, ito lang yung kukunin ko. Ito pa. Tsaka ito na lang din. Kunin ko na lang din, ha? Yan. Kung wala kasing to, eh. Ibig sabihin, kung sa 0.85, nagpass lahat ng soil. So, how much more with number 2, no? Mas malaki yung how much more with 2 mm. So, expected that is also 100. na? Common sense yun. 0.85 mm 0.85 mm yung opening niya. Ayun, nagpass lahat. Nagpass lahat 100%. So, how much more yung 2 mm na mas malaki yung opening niya? So, expected 100% yan. Magpass yun eh. So, ayun na, solve natin. So, since AASH to yung specs na gagamitin, so, iwalay ko lang. Considering meron ako nito. Ayan. Then, say, meron akong, oops. Ayan, I think okay na yan. Straight natin. So, bali dito meron akong sen. That is sen. Dito meron akong celt. Let's say celt. Then, dito let's say meron akong clay. Then, dito meron akong gravel. Okay. So, ilagay ko lang lahat. Meron tayong number 2. Meron tayong 0.074. Tsaka meron tayong 0.002. This is number 10 and this is number 200. Okay? Based on AASH 2. Alam natin dito is 0% and alam natin dito is 100%. So, yun nga, no? Kasi dito sa 0.80 ay 100%. So, yung 2 mm is also 100%. So, this will be 100%. No? For 0.04, we have 62%. And for 0.002, we have 23%. No? So, masolve na natin yung ilan yung percentage gravel. So, ito yan. So, yung percentage gravel is just 100% minus 100%. So, we have 0%. Okay. So, yan na yung sagot. So, considering yung percent sun, so we will have 100% minus 62%. And this is 38%. Considering yung percent silt, so we have 62% minus 23%. Thus, we have 39%. And we can have now percentage clay, that is 23% minus 0%, and that is 23%. So if we sum up all the percentage, this is equal to 100%. So that's okay, no? Now, kukunin natin yung percentage course. So we have the percentage course, and that is 0 plus 38, and that is 38%. And for pine, so add lang natin yung dalawa. So we will have 39 plus 23, and thus we have 62%, which is a total of 100%. And that is, so I think okay na yan, no? So we have now, box ko lang yung sagot. So for gravel, we have 0%. For sand, we have 38%. for silt, we have 39%. For clay, we have 23%. For coarse, we have 38%. And for fine, we have 62%. So, continue lang tayo sa next na video. Medyo mahaba-haba na rin eh. So, I think yun lang guys. Thank you.